An AI you can watch using a computer, clicking, typing, filling forms right in your browser for free. It's Hugging Face's Open Computer Agent, a web agent that runs on a cloud Linux desktop with apps like Firefox. Tell it a task and it navigates like a human. Open, click, type, repeat. Find directions on maps, check store hours, grab pricing from a site, even basic bookings. You prompt, it handles the clicks. Under the hood, it uses vision language models to see the screen and ground elements by coordinates, so it knows what and where to click. It loops: observe, plan, act, then verify. It's early. Expect cues, slow steps, and roadblocks like CAPTCHAs or complex flows. Still, it shows how far open agents have come. Because this lowers the barrier, a free, transparent way to prototype agents that actually use apps. For creators, devs, and small teams, that's huge. Would you trust an AI to run your web tasks? Tell me what you'd automate first.